Hi and hello my dear students. Welcome to my channel Max Tutor Vanmati. This video is based on class 10th new syllabus. No more fear for exam by following my videos. Today in 10th Max Unit 2 we are going to see the continuation of arithmetic progression, that is from the continuation of our last video. Okay, let us go on to today's session. Example 2.25. Find the 15th, 24th and nth term, that is your general term of an arithmetic progression given by 3, 15, 27, 39, etc. Okay, what they have given? They have given one sequence 3, 15, 27, 39, etc. Okay, and we are going to find the 15th term, 24th term and nth term, that is your T15, T24, Tn. These are the things we are going to find. Okay, from this, in this sequence, what is your first term? A is equal to 3. Okay, and the common difference is T2 minus T1. 15 minus 3, you will get 12. Again, T3 minus T2 is here. 27 minus 15, 12. T4 minus T3, 39 minus 27, 12. So, your common difference here is 12. Okay, by using these two, we are going to find T15, T24. Okay, first we can write the general term, that is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is your format we have already seen in the introduction part. Okay, A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, substituting n is equal to 15 first. Okay, what you will get? First we need T15. So T15 equal to, what is your A value? 3 plus what is your n value? 15 minus 1. What is your D value? 12. Clear? Understood? Next, solving this you will get 3 plus 15 minus 1, you will get 14 into 12. Okay, therefore T15 is your 14 into 12 plus 3. What will be your answer? 171. Okay, this is your T15. Clear? Okay, next we are going to find T24. We are going to find now T24. So, what is your A? 3. N is your 24 minus 1. What is your D? 12. Solving this, you will get 3 plus 24 minus 1, 23 into 12. Okay, 3 plus 24 into 12. You will get the answer as 279. Multiplying this 2 and adding 3, you will get 279. Clear? Okay. This is your T15 and T24. T15 what you have got? 171. This is your T15 and this is your T24. Next we are going to see Tn, that is your general term we are going to calculate. Okay. This is your Tn, that is your general term format. Okay, using this we are going to find, okay, Tn, we are going to find the nth term only. So, keep n as it is. Tn is equal to, what is your A? 3 and what is your n? N minus 1. What is your D? Is it 12. Clear? Therefore, Tn is equal to 3 plus 12, taking inside 12 into n, 12n. Minus 12 ones are 12. From this we can write Tn is equal to 12n minus 3 minus 12 is your 9. So you will get Tn equal to 12n minus 9. Clear? This is your general term. Okay, once again I will say, first we are going to find T15 and T24 and nth term using this sequence. In this sequence we are taking the A value is your first term. So A is equal to 3 and the common difference between the sequence is your 12. First we are going to find T15. So substituting n in the place of n15, you will get T15 equal to A 3 plus 15 minus 1 into D. Okay. So in that you will get Tn value as, T15 value as 171. Clear? Next again in the place of n value you will substitute 24. So we need T24. So in the place you substitute n in the place of 24. You will get T24 as 279. Clear? Next we are going to find the general term using the general term format Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Substituting a and d values alone and taking this d value into n minus 1, you will get 12n minus 12. Solving this, you will get 12n minus 9. Clear? Understood? Next, using this example, we can solve some examples in exercise problems. Okay? Exercise 2.5, third problem. Find the first term and common difference of the AP whose nth terms are given below. Okay? We are going to find in this question, that is A value and D value. First term and common difference of the arithmetic progression and whose nth term is given by Tn is equal to 3 plus 2n. Clear? This is your question. Okay, from this we are going to find the first term and common difference. Okay, first we are going to substitute the natural numbers. N is equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay, sequence it goes on. So, we are substituting 1, 2, 3, etc. First substituting n is equal to 1 in this general term. T1 you will get minus 3 plus 2 into 1. You get minus 3 plus 2, which is minus 1. Clear? Next substituting n is equal to 2. T2 equal to minus 3 plus 2 into 2. You get minus 3 plus 4. 4 minus 3, 1. Next n is equal to 3. You get T3 is equal to minus 3 plus 2 into 3. You get minus 3 plus 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 3, 3. Clear? And like this it goes on. N equal to 4, n equal to 5. We need the first term and common difference. So first taking this 3, we can easily find the nth term and common difference. So from this, what is your nth term? T1 is your, what is your first term? T1 is your first term. What is the answer for T1? Minus 1. Therefore, first term A is equal to minus 1. Clear? Next, what is your common difference? D is equal to T2 minus T1. T2, what is your T2? 1. And what is your T1? Minus 1. Minus of minus 1, you will get plus 1. Clear? You will get 1 plus 1, 2. So, this is your common difference. You can check this also. T3 minus T2. T3 minus T2. What is your T3? 3 minus 1, 2. So, same common difference you are getting. So, A is equal to minus 1. Common difference D is equal to 2. These two are the solutions for first subdivision. Okay, let us see the second subdivision now. This is your second subdivision. Tn is equal to 4 minus 7n. Going to find first term A and the common difference D. Okay. So substituting the natural numbers. First n is equal to 1. You get T1 equal to 4 minus 7 into 1. 4 minus 7 is your minus 3. Next n is equal to 2. You get T2 equal to 4 minus 7 into 2. 4 minus 14. You will get minus 10. Next, n is equal to 3. T3 equal to 4 minus 7 into 3. 4 minus 21. You get minus 17. From this we can say A is equal to minus 3. And what is your D? T2 minus T1. T3 minus T1, T2. We can find both also, or else we can find only T2 minus T1 and you can conclude D value. Okay. So what is your T2 minus T1? Minus 10. Minus of minus 3 plus 3. You will get minus 7. And again here minus 17. Minus of minus 10 you will get plus 10. Minus 17 plus 10. Minus 7. Clear? Understood? So from this we can say D value is minus 7. First term is your minus 3 and your common difference is your minus 7. Clear? Next problem. Exercise 2.5, fourth problem. Find the 19th term of an AP minus 11, minus 15, minus 19, etc. Okay, they have given one sequence minus 11, minus 15, minus 19, etc. And we are going to find the 19th term, that is your T19. Clear? For this, what all you need? First, write the general term A plus N minus 1 into D. So, we need A value and D value. Okay, we are going to find the T19th value. Okay. So, first, what is your A value? Minus 11. And what is your D value? Subtract minus 15 plus minus 15 minus 11, you will get minus 15. Minus of minus 11 is your plus 11. So, minus 15 plus 11 is your minus 4. On subtracting these two also, you will get the same difference as minus 4. Clear? Next, substituting these values in this, you will get T19 only we are going to find. In the place of N, substitute 19. In the place of A, substitute 11 plus 19 minus 1. In the place of D, substituting minus 4. You will get minus 11 plus 18 into minus 4. Your answer will be minus 11 plus into minus, you will get minus 4 8s are 32, 2, remainder 3, 4 1s are 4, 5, 6, 7, minus 72. You will get minus 83. Okay, clear? This is your T19. Understood? Next problem. Exercise 2.5, fifth problem. Which term of an AP 16, 11, 6, 1, etc. is minus 54? Okay. What they have given is, given arithmetic progression is 16, 11, 6, 1, etc. which is equals to minus 54. That is, the Tn value is minus 54. Okay. What is your general term? General term Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. But what they have given? The given sequence which is equal to your Tn, that is minus 54. So, replacing here minus 54 equal to, in this what is your first term? Obviously 16 is your first term. So, 16 plus, what is your nth term? We are going to find it. So, n minus 1. And what is your D? 11 minus 16 minus 5. 6 minus 11 minus 5. So, your difference, common difference is minus 5. Clear up to this? Next, what we are going to do is multiplying this minus 5 to throughout this term. You will get minus 54 which is equal to 16 plus 5 into n, 5n. Here you are getting minus, so minus 5n, minus into minus plus and this plus. Okay, 5 ones are 5. So, minus 54 equal to 16 minus 15 minus 5n plus 5 you will get. Okay, after solving this you will get 16 plus 5 is your 21 minus 5n. Up to this you are clear? So, from this you are going to find the n value. Okay. So, taking the numbers as one side, minus 54, this minus 21, this comes this side means plus, minus 21 plus, coming on left side you will get minus, which is equal to minus 5n. This implies minus 54 minus 21 is minus 75, which is equal to minus 5n. So, both side minus minus will get cancelled. 75 equal to 5n. From this what you can write? 5n equal to 75, which implies n is equal to 75 by 5, which implies n is equal to 5 ones are 5, remainder you will get 2, 5 5s are 25. So, n value is 15. Clear? Therefore, T15 is your answer. That is 15th term of AP is your minus 54. Clear? Understood? Okay, let us go on to the next problem. Exercise 2.5, sixth problem. Find the middle term of an AP 9, 15, 21, 27, etc. 183. Okay, they have given the arithmetic progression sequence as 9, 15, 21, 27, etc. 183, and they are asking us to find the middle term of this sequence. Okay, so what is the middle term for format is n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1. To find the middle term, we are going to use this. For this, we need the nth term. Okay, we need first n term, then only we can find this value. Okay, using the sequence, we can write the first term. A is equal to 9 and your common difference D is your 15 minus 9. 15 minus 9, you will get common difference as 6. Similarly, you see this 21 minus 15, 6. 27 minus 21, 6. Everywhere 6. So, D is your 6 common difference. And in this sequence, what they have given? They have given the last value. Okay. L is equal to 183. Now, we are going to find the n value. Clear about your question? Next. What is your nth formula? That is to find n, what is your formula? If they have given the last term means L minus A divided by D plus 1. Clear? So, substituting the values you will get. What is your L? 183 minus what is your A? 9 whole divided by what is your D? 6 and plus 1. Clear? Which implies 183 minus 9 is your 174 divided by 6 plus 1. You will get 6 3s are 18. So it won't come. 6 2s are 12. 6 9s are 54 plus 1, which implies n is equal to 30. Up to clear everyone? Now we have found the n value. By using this, we are going to find the middle terms first and we are going to find the middle term values next. Okay. So, what is your middle term format is n by 2 plus 1. Clear? So, what is your n value? 30. 30 by 2, comma, 30 by 2 plus 1. 30 by 2 is your 15. 2 15s are 13. 30. Again, 2 15s are 30. 15 plus 1. 15 comma 15 plus 1 16. So these were your n terms. Okay, sorry, middle terms. That is, you are going to find now T15 and T16. Find T15 and T16. Okay, clear? Next we can find the T15 and T16. First we can find T15. Okay, T15 equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. What is your A? 9 plus n minus 1 15 minus 1 D 6. Okay. So 9 plus 15 minus 1 14 into 6, which implies 9 plus 4 6 are 24. 2 6 1s are 6 plus 2 8 84. You will get 84 plus 9 is your 93. This is your T15. Clear? Next we are going to find T16, next middle term. Okay, 9 plus 16 minus 1 into 6. 9 plus 16 minus 1 is your 15 and 6. Okay, 9 plus 6 5s are 30. Carry 3. 6 1s are 6. 7 8 9. Okay, 90 plus 9 is your 99. So T16 value is your 99. So these are the middle terms we have found in this problem. Okay, the two middle terms are 93 and 99. Clear? Shall we move on to the next problem?
I hope you all clear about today's video. Feel free to comment your doubts or just mail your doubts to me. Okay, I am there for you to rectify your doubts. If you like my channel, then subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Meet you soon in next video.